Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to get to your Facebook featured photo settings. It is quite simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So all you want to do is head over to Facebook. Once you're there, you want to click on your menu in the bottom right corner. You then want to select Edit Public Details underneath your bio. Once you're here, you just want to scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see an option for Featured underneath Hobbies. So you can go and click Try It. From here, it's going to show your recent photos from your camera roll and also some photos that you've just uploaded. So just click whatever you'd like. I'll go ahead and select this one from down here. Click Next. From here, I can name it whatever I'd like. So just put Caden, for example. Click Done. And then once I'm done doing all this, just click Done. And might take a second to load. But once it is there, it will then be on your profile. As you can see, it's right here underneath my bio. But if I want to get rid of it, just click on it, click on the three lines in the top right, and click Delete the Featured Collection. Once you've done this, it will no longer be on here. You can also add more than one as well. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.